and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rallye 50, flat left 100. Right 7 plus at junction, ends over jump bridge. And left 8 into slippy, left 4 long, double apex. In through 30 up. Right 3, 100. Right 8, stay in, late. Into left 8 at junction, small cut. 200. Brake care, crest into left 6, long, double apex. Circuit. 200. Flat right long, over crest. Line 400. Crest into chicane right entry. Chicane right entry. $50. Right 8 plus over jump maybe. 50 up. Left 8 ends over jump maybe. 80. Jump maybe. 80. Keep middle over jump into flat right. Line 200. Finish. Right 9. Hell yeah.
Good job.
That was good.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.